Hello everyone, may I ask you, is your iPhone listening to you? Maybe your answer is yes or maybe no. But I'm gonna request you, make sure you just need to turn off some options to make your data safety and to avoid tracking you. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your phone settings and then scroll down, and you just need to find out privacy and security. Just open it. After that, you just need to scroll down and you just need to find out microphone. So just open it. Right now you just need to check, is there some apps or some unnecessary apps they are enable your microphone. You just need to turn off this immediately. So you can see I have no unnecessary app that's enable microphone. That's why I don't need to turn off any options. If you have, you just need to turn off immediately. Right now go back and you just need to scroll down and you just need to select analytics and improvements, and then you just need to scroll down and you just need to find out improve hand washing. Here you can see improve hand washing. You just need to turn off this option immediately. Right now go back to your setting page and you just need to find out Siri. So here you can see I just open it. Right now select talk to Siri, and then make sure you turn off Siri and enable press side button for Siri. So enable it. Right now go back again to your setting page and again scroll down and select apps. Right now you just need to find out Safari. So here you can see just open it and scroll down and you can see there have a option prevent cross site tracking. So you just need to enable this option immediately. Right now go back to your setting menu and you just need to find out privacy and security. Then you just need to select tracking and make sure you enable this option. After enable, go back and select location services. So here you can see those apps are tracking your location. So if you think you don't need, you immediately turn off this. So for more security, I turn off total location services option. So after do this all settings, it can secure your iPhone data as well as it can prevent to track you. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this.